Okay. Ako ay pumunta sa Nara. And ito, nakita ko sa sasakyan na katuwa. First time ko mag-travel ng van. Lalabas ako ha, pakita ko yung sasakyan. Hindi ako nagpo-promote ng sasakyan, pero ito talaga ang favorite ko kasi regulated yung kanilang takbo. Maganda. So, I have no problem with it. Ito nga yung first time ko makasakay. I'm going to Aborlan from Nara. Maganda dito, guys. So, nagbago na talaga ang lugar, guys. Magmula nung ako ay dito sa Palawan, iba ang sasakyan. So, now, you can go to Palawan and you can simply enjoy your trip without even to worry kung may masasakyan ka ng kabina o hindi pa. So, yan o. This is a nice big bus. Chat later. Mag-comment lang po kayo kung anong gusto nyo pang malaman sapagkat Palawan travel right now is very different than before. Sitting comfortably. Ganda. I'll give you a little bit of a history. Siguro mga 1998 or early 2000, I took the bus. Ayoko kasing sumakay ng shuttle na regular lang. Naka-experience ako. Ang bilis. The road here in Palawan is a little bit bumpy pa nung time na yon. And then one day, nakasakay ako ng Wonder. It was very slow. Pero it's safe. And now people notice the value of traveling on a safer vehicle. And so ngayon, kung tuwing magta-travel ako, I'd prefer to be riding Wonder. And so now it's interesting. They have a lot of shuttle buses, and recently they have this big bus, is a minibus. It's a little bigger than minibus, and it's fun. So this is my ride going home to Aborlan. Fun facts goes, guys, talagang ang Palawan is improving now. Back in the days, nung bata pa ako, I'm now in my mid-50s, and nung bata pa ako, talaga minsan once a day lang ang travel from Puerto to whatever destination, south, even worse nung papunta ng norte. Now, ang dami ng different buses. Talaga kahit na gabi ka na magbiyahe, ay meron ka pang masasakyan. Not only that, meron na silang solar lights. As you can see there, may mga solar lights na sila. So traveling is truly easy. So enjoy Palawan! Alright, goodbye.